What's up, guys? Riding 2 days in a row? Say what? Oh, I don't have much pads left, so I gotta be careful. I just ordered a bunch of new pads. One thing I can say about these mountain bike brakes is they don't last long. They certainly don't. But I also wheelie the shit out of them, so whatever. I just order a bunch at a time. That's what I'm doing now, so should have like 8 pairs all stocked up to use. Seat spreaders are just like funny looking at this point. One-handers are getting a lot easier, well, at least the brake one-handers. If you guys didn't see my last video, my buddy Shade, he's got a Talaria, whatever, and I was trying to teach him brake one-handers, and he looped pretty hard, so I felt bad for him, but definitely made for some good content. But yeah, the goal is always not to loop. I mean, I also looped. It was pretty slow speed, but doing a one-hander just the other day, so it happens to the best of us. It happens to all of us, so it happens. Yeah, so anyways, guys, I'll have new pads for this Magura MT5 in the rear hopefully pretty soon, and then we'll get back on our wheelie game. We can go down this way, less people around. They got the fountain going today. Call me the freaking Circle King, I swear. I got these locked. Feels so good. Woo! A little donut on this. I don't really like doing burnouts on these because it just means I'll have to replace them sooner, and I don't think they're particularly fun to replace. Let's try again. Coast, take it off. Okay. Ooh. It's good. Sorry guys, not much commentary in this one. I'm just randomly riding and wanted to bring my camera, the whole area to myself now. We're about to be fresh out of rear pads. It's nice and tight, these. All right, that's enough over here. We got the Schuylkill River Trail right here. I always love this trail at night. I think I need to take off my goggles though. Good old Schuylkill. Is that a body floating right there? It could very well be. Alright, let's slow her down. One-hander. And there's our beautiful City Hall, baby. Really is a beauty, ain't she? Well guys, hope you enjoyed this random little video. Like I said, super random. Just out practicing, but figured I'd bring you guys along. Thank you again for 2K subs. Appreciate all those who are supporting, liking, commenting, subscribing, and so on. Really helps the channel grow. But yeah, I'm not going anywhere, guys. Tons of content to come yet. Thank you for watching, though. Peace. And I'll peace you whenever I get my hand off these bars, but I gotta take this turn first. Peace. Fucked it. Oh well, peace.